The T sound in tattoo. Pronunciation Activation Pack 24. Tattoo. T. In this pronunciation activation pack, we'll be looking at the consonant sound T. We'll look at the letter combinations that give the T sound. We'll look at lots of words which have the T sound in them. Finally, we'll activate your ability to hear and produce the T sound correctly. Plosives. The T sound is an unvoiced alveolar plosive made by blocking the airflow with the tongue on the alveolar ridge and then releasing it explosively. The T sound on the chart is shown in blue, which means that it's unvoiced. Each of the consonant sounds on the first two rows of consonants make up an unvoiced and a voiced pair. The only difference between the unvoiced and voiced pairs is the use of the vocal cords while saying them. T, D. Letter combinations for T. The consonant sound T has the following letter combinations: T, double T, TH, and ED, while T, TZ, and ZZ can produce the TS sound. The TH combination usually results in a th or a th sound, rather than a t sound. In some words, the letter T appears but is not heard. We call this the silent letter T. Practice. Tomatoes on toasted baguettes are not pizza. Practice. Take a tiny tipple of tequila in a margarita cocktail. Practice. Last time I looked, Tower Bridge stood on the Thames. Practice. The mammoths had tusks like elephants today. Silent letter T. In some words, the letter T appears but isn't heard. We call this the silent letter T. The silent letter T comes before the letter L, but not always. The silent letter T often comes between the letters S and EN, and sometimes between F and EN. Often can be pronounced with or without a T sound. Practice. Apostles are often talked about at Christmas. Practice. I wrestled with a desire to whistle during the ballet. Practice. Never hasten to secure a mortgage. Practice. Moisten the bristles on the thistles first. Problems for students. There's normally no problem with spelling, as t is usually T or double T, though the silent letter T can cause confusion. The main problem for students is between minimal pairs which contain t or d. In this pronunciation activation pack, we'll be looking at a set of minimal pairs which differ only in the sounds t or d. Resources and activators. As with all my English activation packs, this activation pack has valuable resources to help you activate the language in this lesson. Download the resources from the link at the top left. You'll also find the activators at the end of the pack. These will give you plenty of exercises to help you make the language in this lesson part of your active vocabulary. Free English material. Are you a Britlisher yet? These lucky people are. They're all learning the ton of free English language learning material they got when they became a Britlisher at Britlish.com. Get your free welcome pack today at Britlish.com.